The funny thing is, I think I started thinking about financial arrangements the morning my wife came upstairs and said, we're having a baby. And that doesn't half focus the mind when it comes to investing. And I can tell you, it's a funny thing. You can live in this world of investments and this rarefied world of investments. And when you have to be your own doctor, as it were, and work out what you should do for the next 18 years or, God forbid, 30 years of costs and fees and all the rest of it. It's very difficult when it's for yourself, you're advising. But it's incredibly important, and it really has focused my mind. Up till now, I've always invested with a view to, well, basically, I want to work less hard as I get older. That's why I think a lot of people invest, and obviously there's been objectives, whether it's investments in property or whatever else. You had a goal you were investing for. Now there's a brand new goal and a brand new seriousness to it and an urgency to it, because you're only given about 9 months notice. And yeah, it's an exciting time, but I'm actually optimistic from an investment perspective for the world and how it's going to look in 18 years. I'm actually very optimistic that it's not going to be, whatever might happen to the environment and all the rest of it around the world. I think from an investment perspective, I'm very optimistic.